Let me show you upstairs. Look how wide it is. Beautiful skylight, bringing light right down into the centre of the plan. We've got seamless joinery along here for linen and so on, and a little console for flowers, a mirror. Beautiful. Storage here, some shelving for personal items, and a TV. You either are or you aren't a TV person in the bedroom. Into the walk-in robe, we've got shelving, drawers, a small dresser with lighting and some hanging space on this side. The ensuite right here. And the second walk-in robe, a mix of hanging, drawers and shelving for the gentlemen of the household. And the built-in bed head with side tables and lighting. This is one of the kids' bedrooms with just some simple joinery here, mix of hanging and drawers. Let me show you the one with the cloths. Lovely long run of cabinetry. A reasonable desk size here, a little bit of storage underneath, some lighting. So this can act as either a dresser or a desk. And over here we have the Quaker style cabinetry in polyurethane with the concealed finger pull. So just really neat, beautiful joinery. The family bathroom. And this is the study. So there's a large desk for 2 workstations, some small storage underneath, some wall lighting, and on this side a couple of shelves just for personal items, and then a storage zone for printers and things like that underneath. I can't wait to show you more after the install.